Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex and today I will show you how to assemble car like this. And today I will show you how to modify this car which we assembled in previous video. This time I will install one DC motor with handmade pulley. For handmade pulley we need just piece of plastic. Now we have a little bit dismantled our car. We need to take out one wheel. Now on these 3 discs we have to make hole much bigger to be fitted on this shaft. Okay, now we have 3 discs. 2 of them is the same diameter and third one is a little bit smaller, and we have to start installing. First we put big disc, then smaller one, and again big. Okay, now when discs on the proper position, we can install this wheel from this side. Okay, now after installing wheel, we can finish with our pulley. We need to use fast glue, split a little bit all these discs and put a little bit on each of them glue. Okay, now is our pulley almost ready. We need a little bit secure by thermoglue. Now we have to create base for the motor where motor will stay. I'm going also to use the same sticks. I'm going to use a little bit cardboard to lift up motor from the surface. This pulley for the motor side I did on one of the previous video from glue stick for thermogun. Let's install it on the motor. Okay, now we can make approximately alignment and put motor in position. Now we can install belt in position when motor is get dry, securing of the motor. Okay, now belt, you can see that it's rotating, and now we can continue with electrical part. First of all I will install switch, micro switch direct on the motor. Okay, we are almost finished. Remain only to install again this belt and to try first test. Like this car we assembled today. Very cool. Now we will try to test it on the floor.